In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to export video inside of Google Vids. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to workspace.google.com. Once you're inside of this page right here, you'll need to go up to products, and then from here you'll need to find the Vids section or Google Vids. Once you're in here, it should look something like this. Now from here, it's time to sign into Vids, and don't worry, this is completely free. So just click here and just sign into your account. Once you're inside of here, you'll see Hello Mike or your name. Let's start creating. And here you can choose between landscape, portrait, or square. And from here, you can either record the video, you can upload a video, use a template, or convert slides from your Google Drive. You can also down here add a portrait or a blank video, and that is what we are going to do now. From here, we'll need to find a specific video that we'll just paste into this video right here so we can export it. And to do it, you simply need to go up to the right hand corner where it says share right beside play. And then from here, you'll see this quick sharing actions. Now from here, you can copy a link, you can export to Drive or Google Drive, you can download as an MP4, or you can download as a .gfi file. But from here, you'll simply need to click download as MP4 so you can download it and upload onto YouTube or any other platform that you would like to upload it to. So as you can see, now it's preparing upload or download, and it can take approximately anything from a couple minutes to many hours depending on how long the video you have created is. So as you can see now, it is downloading, and you're downloading media to your device. Leave this tab open, and you can see up here now the video has been downloaded. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!